Who are you and what are you studying in Turkey?
I'm Kaan Karaçanta, a student from Turkey studying computer engineering at Middle East Technical University.
Why did you decide to do an internship in Germany?
I chose to do an internship in Germany to gain practical experience in a globally recognized market, improve myself on reinforcement learning and AI, and immerse myself in a new culture to broaden my perspective.
What are your tasks and projects at ZEKI?
At ZEKI, I involved in COSI projects. My responsibilities can be explained as conducting research in short. The project is about reinforcement learning applications in cybersecurity field, and I have worked on RL parts mainly.
What do you like the most about your work here?
The thing I liked the most was flexibility of the work environment. To explain in detail, we could work remotely or on site. Also, I decided to the part that I have worked on in the project.
What have you learned so far, or what new skills have you acquired?
I've improved my technical skills such as researching and hacking, and developed soft skills like teamwork and problem solving.
How do the universities in Turkey and Germany differ?
Universities in Turkey tend to focus more on practical, hands-on experience and research, while in Germany there is a stronger emphasis on theoretical learning and exams.
What do you find better or more interesting in Germany?
I find the flexibility and emphasis on research in Germany more engaging, as it encourages creativity and independent thinking.
Why should other students do an internship at ZEKI?
Students should consider an internship at ZEKI because it offers a dynamic learning environment, exposure to real-world challenges, and the opportunity to work with a diverse and talented team.
What would you recommend to future interns to get the most out of their internship?
I would advise future interns to be proactive, ask questions, network with colleagues, and take full advantage of all learning opportunities in here.
Thank you.
Thank you.